Hello everyone, I am Jessica. Today I'd like to introduce the Bonyee's factory to you. With an area of about 8,000 square meters, specialized production lines, and more than 30 advanced production lines, Boyee is the largest dry towel production line in China, reaching the GMP 100,000 level standard. Next, let me introduce the production line for you. This production line is the Bonyee's slicing production line, which mainly produces industrial wipes, etc. We always adhere to high standards of production environment in order to provide high-quality products. This production line is the Bonyee's point of production line, which mainly produces household cleaning wipe rolls, industrial wipe rolls, etc. Every product will go through multiple quality control processes to ensure quality. Daily production capacity can reach about 50,000 rolls. Fistol roll daily production capacity can reach about 30,000 rolls. There are folding and interfolding production lines, which mainly produces household cleaning wipes, medical wipes, cotton tissue, face tissue, industrial wipes, etc. Daily production capacity can reach about 50,000 bags and 50,000 boxes. Under the scientific and perfect fund management, we maintain excellent product production standards and always provide customers with high-quality products and service.